Hey there, Peter Brissett here with our monthly coaching training call, also our monthly marketing message. So I wanted to talk to you today about something I've been working with clients quite a bit on right now, and that involves some basics of search engine optimization, SEO, and in particular, what is on your actual website. So today what I want to talk about is what are meta tags. We're going to get meta today. All right, let me share my screen here so we can look at a couple things. So what is a meta tag? Three things we'll kind of hit on here. So number one, it's important for search engines, and I'll show you why and where, which also makes it important for those who are searching, and it actually lives behind the page. So what does all that mean? Well, I will show you that real quick. So the first thing I want to do is when I do a search for anything, there are search results that come up. So I searched Lighthouse Assisted Living, and what came up here was their homepage. So you can see there's a name here, Lighthouse Assisted Living, Littleton, Colorado. And then right here is a description of that page. So this title, that's the title of the page, is inside the meta tags, the metadata. This description is inside the metadata. So there's two reasons that's important that we said. One, this helps Google know what this page is about. So Google knows how to bring it up in the search results. But secondly, it's good for me as a searcher because I can look at this and go, oh, what is this information here? And should I go ahead and click this link or not? So this description and title help the person doing the search to better understand also what that page is about. So they're more likely to click the link to go look at the page. So you can 100% control this title and this description for the search results that we're seeing here. So where does that happen? So this gets set up, and different websites have a different way, but you set it up as part of the page settings. So when you look here on this page, you're not going to see anywhere where it says meta description or meta title. Like, you don't see it. It's not something visible as you look at the page. But if I go look at the source code on the page, and I just did a search on the word meta, there's a lot of meta information. I can find here meta description. So here's the meta description and the contents of that description. So you'll see this description might be hard to see. Let me blow this up. So you see this description matches the description that we saw in the search results. So we can also go where's my title? Well, there's also a title tag. Let's see here. Yeah, here it is right here. Title. So those are the meta tags. They show up on the back end of the page and in the data, which again, it's going to help both Google in particular, as search engine, understand what that page is about. And it also helps the person searching understand what that page is about and why they should click the link to actually go and visit that page. So if you don't know what your meta tags are, you don't know what your titles or descriptions are, we can do a quick audit of your website that goes through and will tell us page by page every title and every description, and let us know if things are missing or things that might need to be updated on that. So if you have questions about that, we can run a free report for you. So that's the question of the day. What is a meta tag? Meta tag is data that's behind the page that helps search engines and help people doing the search and lives behind the page. Hopefully you found that useful, and we'll talk to you again next month.